I am Mrs. Fifth. I am the acting principal at Port Elizabeth TVET College. I'm also the deputy principal academic responsible for teaching and learning.
Good morning everyone. I'm Dorian Barches. I'm the deputy principal corporate services, responsible for labor relations, responsible for human resource administration and development, responsible for ICT, responsible for marketing and communication, and lastly, responsible for logistics and infrastructure management.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rrc Nso. I'm Deputy Principal of Finance.
Good morning everyone. I'm Kim Machikinga, Deputy Principal Registrar. I'm responsible for registration of students. I'm responsible for partnership and linkages. I'm also responsible for the management of the information systems of the institution. Lastly, I'm responsible for student support services.
Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College.
Your future starts now.
You are currently watching the Rrc Nso Programme. RRC stands for Russell Road Campus. NSO stands for New Student Orientation. I'm Sinobi. I'm currently doing marketing NCV level 2. Okay, now let's see what happens when you enter the Russell Road campus.
Hello everyone.
We are Excellent Security Services team.
Yes.
Your safety and security
is our satisfaction.
Ta-da!
Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Russell Road campus. I am Mrs. Mkalipi, Head Management Support. Wish to encourage students of 2023 about cleanliness. We must all own this place, dear students. Please keep clean your classrooms, our surroundings and the grounds at all times. Please note, littering is not permitted. If we work together, all of the above is possible. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Have a blessed year ahead.
Now we are at room T1, which is the High Health Office.
Hi guys, I'm Avela Sola, Campus Health and Wellness Coordinator. I'm with
Zozuko Caesar, your H2S counselor. And together we are the Higher Health Team.
Yes. We are based at room T1. We offer clinical and psychosocial services. Clinical services include your TB screening, STI screening, HIV testing, and then the psychosocial services include counseling for issues such as gender-based violence and mental health issues.
Welcome to Russell Road campus.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm now going to take you through our office. We offer condoms. We have male and female condoms. We also offer lubricants to students. We also give out pamphlets with information on the topics that we address, such as your STI, condom, and TB. And then the side, we have care packs that we give out to students. They have a toothbrush, Colgate, roll-on, soap, and face towel. We also distribute sanitary towels to students. Now we're going to take you through our consultation room.
Welcome to our consultation room. This is where HTS services are provided, which is your HIV testing, one-on-one sessions privately, and your TB screening and your STI screening. We also provide family planning and counseling when you need one. Thank you. This is our vending machine. For students to access any items inside, they need to come to us. We create a voucher pin for them that is valid for a year. And inside the vending machines are these following items. These are the lubricants, the female condoms, the male condoms. Usually in this line is usually the pregnancy tests. And then we have your sanitary towels. The sanitary towels, this line usually it's the pregnancy test, the male condoms, female condoms, and the lubricants.
Hello everyone, my name is Chokozani Makakula Assistant Director, Occupational Health and Safety and Wellness, Port Elizabeth College. My office is located at Rrc Central Administration, room number 46. Our responsibility is to make sure to create health, safety, working and learning environment for students and staff. We are responsible for management of incident at the workplace. We make sure that we prevent any accident that can happen at the workplace. We also have first aiders that are trained, that are responsible for any incident that happen at the workplace. We also have safety, health and environment representatives that are responsible for health and safety issues. Those people are also assisting us to conduct inspection of the building. We have sick bay at all campuses, mostly for students. We also have health and safety committees where we discuss all health and safety related issues. We meet on a quarterly basis. We also conduct emergency evacuation drill to all the campuses that we conducted on a 6-monthly basis, twice a year. We also management of personally protective equipment for support staff that are working on site. We make sure that we maintain our fire equipment, and we make sure that we prepare for emergencies, like we make sure that the staff are aware of unforeseen emergencies like fire and also flood. We also are responsible for the management of natural resources. We make sure that staff are aware on how to save water, staff and students to make sure on how also to save electricity, and we also conduct and doing waste management by making sure that we are recycling of waste that can be recyclable at our site. We also have a wellness program that we make sure that we conduct and we offer a psychological support to our staff. We make sure that staff are aware of the chronic illnesses, including TB at the workplace, also for sugar, diabetics, and also high blood pressure, including HIV and AIDS. Thank you and welcome to Port Elizabeth College.
Greetings to everybody. My name is Mr. Craig Jansen. I'm currently the Assistant Director Student Support Services at Port Elizabeth TVET College. My division of Student Support Services are centered at Kemsley Park, which we are located, but also at each campus, Dowell, Ikaya campus and also Rrc Road campus. And these campuses are being managed by Administrative Clerk Student Support Services, which are representing the interests of students and their needs per campus. During academic support, students will get various supporting structures and systems in the institution, which can also secure their with regard to their academic excellence. We've got an SI structure, or what we refer to as supplementary instruction, where students are being trained as SI coordinators, and they are in the class addressing the very core needs of the students who experience difficulties with our more complex subjects. Secondly, we also have personal support services. They come in the form of student counseling. Student counseling are at the moment being presented and assisted by the officers of the higher health services, which are prominent at each campus at the moment. And in that particular regard, our students will have easy access to a registered student counselor who will give them particular information and also guidance. If that particular student are not satisfied with the service, it can be also be viewed on a referral system. Our SRC elections are taking place during the first term of this year, and students are invited to vote for those particular candidates that they will feel will best represent themselves. Students are also allowed to also join into various student formations. At our institution, we have 3 prominent formations which we refer to as DASU, our SASCU, and also to the EFF Student Command. And students are encouraged, because of the Bill of Rights, of the right to association, to associate to these kinds of student formations. But I do also encourage students to also associate to societies. In the past, we had various types of societies, which include the Society for Academic Excellence, we had the Christian Society, we also make mention of the Muslim Society. But I want to also extend this particular invitation to students who want to also intervene to different other societies that they want to bring into the attention of the OSRCs. Most importantly for me is our students need to be holistically developed. And when they are holistically developed, they must also partake in extramural activities. Our sport, arts and culture is predominantly being offered at our institution under the banner of COSAXA, which is the coordinating body for colleges or TVET colleges sport in the country. And COSAXA offered various types of sporting disciplines, which range from your soccer, rugby, netball, volleyball, table tennis, chess. And then also, it also includes other amenities like your drama and also your choral activities. I do encourage our students to participate in these particular activities because it does also give you the chance also to broaden your horizons. Because of various other and past experiences, some of our students became national and also provincial champions for this institution. We do have various programs that we offer to students that are differently abled, and we also want to make an appeal to those kind of students to disclose their status as soon as they register at this institution. It will make our task very much easier in assisting you to be more academically profound and to also assist you in getting the type of support mechanisms like assistive devices to make your stay at our institution more easily. We're raising different kinds of disabilities, from your blind students to our deaf, and also to those silent kind of disabilities which we refer to it as dyslexia and bipolar. Our staff are trained, and I encourage our students to visit our disability unit at your campus, which are being coordinated by a disability coordinator. They will give you so much information with regard to the type of support you can get at the campus level. And those particular support we convert into supporting you by the information we are giving you on a day-to-day basis. In conclusion, I want to thank you for choosing Port Elizabeth TVET College as your preferred provider for teaching and learning for 2023. Our slogan says, your future starts now. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you for tuning in with us. Hopefully the information you learned helped you in your way.
Education is elevation.
And remember, excellence begins with you. Hello.